Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're on the west end of St. Croix, right off the town of Frederiksted. Frederiksted is about 7 minutes west of here. Beautiful 2-bedroom tropical oasis. This is a 2-story property where you get a finished, super sweet upper level and an unfinished downstairs area that you can do whatever you want with. Make it a rental, mother-in-law suite, VRBO, that's all up to you. But let me tell you what, the trees and the fauna here are incredible. Wait till you see these tibbet trees, mahogany trees, and all of these palms. This actually used to be a plant nursery, so there's a lot of really cool plants in this property. Gated entrance, beautiful parking area, and like I said, it's only about 5 minutes to town. If you wanted to live in a tropical paradise, this is your chance. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are at the entrance gate. That's looking up Mahogany Road, heading towards Christiansted, and that's looking west down to the town of Frederiksted. And like I said, it's only like 5 minutes down there, and you're in the town. Beautiful lush hills above, incredible mahogany tree here. And then as you go into the property, you're gonna see awesome plants, all kinds of different trees and palms and whatnot, and even a nice gated entrance. All right, let's head in and check out this awesome villa. Okay, we came in the gate, and now here's the driveway heading down. Check out that royal palm. Oh yeah, things like 60 feet tall. And over here, if you ever had that dream of having your own little farm stand, there it is, ready to go. If not, make an awesome chicken coop. All right, we're gonna work our way in. Notice off to the right, some beautiful silver palm, coconut palm, and I don't even know half the names of these things. Check this out, another awesome avatar tree, I like to call them. You film your own movie right here. Nice. All right, let's get up closer to the house. First thing you'll notice when you pull up is this gorgeous yellow bamboo. I just love it. And I'm told it's not the spreading kind, so it'll stay put and just grow in place. But check that out. You pull up to this parking area. You've got your unfinished apartment on the lower level. You've got 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautifully new upper level. And then here's additional parking over to this side. One of the wells is over here. There's another well in the back. So you've got 2 wells to work with. And again, more trees. And check out my favorite tree. Oh, this is incredible. Look at this thing. That thing's probably 75 feet tall. Just gorgeous. And here you're looking over to mango, elephant ears, looking back towards the gate. And then here we are at the front of the villa. Check that out. So beautiful, outside and inside. Let's head on in, check it out. Right up the steps. Beautiful tile, by the way. Look at that, it's got like coral slices in it. Really nice. 2 more up, front door to the left. And then there's a really nice patio we'll check out in a minute that looks out over the rainforest there. Super nice hangout spot. Then you come straight in to this awesome kitchen, living, and then off to the right, we've got our dining area. Impact glass sliders lead out to the patio. Wherever there's not a shutter in this property, whether it's an accordion or a West Indian wooden shutter, you have impact glass. So that's a real nice feature. Check out these custom steps, columns, then right up into the kitchen with a beautiful big island, gas stove, double sink, very nice tile work. Even really cool like backsplash tile there, and then a view out to the forest. What a great family spot here. Perfectly connected to the dining and living. Plenty of room for some bar stools there. And then we take a right straight down to the bedrooms. All right, let's check those out next. Straight off the kitchen into the guest bedroom. Very nice, bright and airy and breezy. Got your TV mount ready to go. Split AC up above, closets at the back end, and another cabinet over there in the corner, which is nice as well. Queen size bed, nice high ceilings. And right across the hall, guest bath. Got your vanity, got your glass shower, beautiful tile, all nice and new. Double flush toilet, which is nice for that water conservation. And then you've got directly opposite the guest bath, full-size washer dryer, very nicely located for both bedrooms, additional closet, main panel here, and then into the master bedroom. This one's holding a king. Got its own private patio out there. Very nice space. Room for a little TV lounge. They got it set up as an office. And then here we go right into the ensuite bath. Very nicely appointed. Same beautiful tile as the guest bath. A little bit bigger than the other bathroom. And then let's check out this patio. Nice private master bedroom patio. Looks straight up the hills into the rainforest and the lush, beautiful tropical vibe. There's your farm stand or your chicken coop if you want it to be. Lots of additional parking out here if you want. Storage shed below. One of the wells is in there. And then check out this tree. Unbelievable. So gorgeous. So huge. So old. And the mango's looking like she's just getting ready to pop. So should have mangoes here in the next 6-7 weeks. And then here we are looking at the West Indian wooden shutters. And then straight back into the master bedroom. Really big bedroom. Look at all the space over here. If you didn't need an office, make a great lounge. And then into a walk-in closet here. Lots of space. Got your instant on hot water heater up here so you can adjust the temperature to whatever you want it to be. Just awesome. All right, I'm going to shoot back through the kitchen and the living room. We're going to bank a left past the front door. I'm going to show you this outdoor patio. This is so awesome. I love it out here. I mean, you could set up a big lounge, outdoor dining. Plenty of room to work with here. Look at that. Incredible. And then it wraps around back to the front door and the steps that lead back down to the driveway. Super great layout. And again, check out all these plants. Just gorgeous. And another massive avatar tree right there. Just can't get enough of it. The other well is over on this side of the property, and then Mahogany Road that runs along there is a pretty far distance away, so you're never going to get any road noise here at all. Really great layout, set back nicely from the road. All right, that's the upper level. Let's head downstairs now and we'll check out the apartment. Okay, we're back in the parking area, past the bamboo, then up a few steps into the lower level apartment. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice little patio area out here, looking back at the front gate. And then straight into this unfinished apartment area. Now this was planned to be a 2-bedroom, which you could still do, or you can convert it into something bigger with fewer bedrooms, or smaller with more bedrooms. Totally your call. But you got a good structure to work with here. You've got a cistern cover here. The kitchen area was going to be in this little step down part, and then a nice impact glass sliding door leads out to that little patio again, looking back to the front door. That'd be nice if this was like a dining area and have that little outdoor sitting area. And you got another room here. And again, there's impact glass windows already installed. So thump test, pass. And it goes all the way around the perimeter. So that's nice having this already weather tight. So if you want to start working on it right away, you could do that and everything would be kept dry. Another cistern cover there, and then a door there that goes straight out to the backyard. Super big space, just as big as the upper level. So whatever you saw up, you're also getting down. You just get to do it the way you want it. Look at that. So sweet. All right. That's the lower level unfinished apartment. Let your imagination run wild. And we'll go out and show you some of the yard area. Now it's 2 acres of property, so I can't show it all, but at least we can take a quick walkthrough. Okay, here we go. Right out of the apartment there. And now we're looking back up on the master bedroom patio area. Storage shed and well house. Coconuts galore. Sarsaparilla. And here we are looking back towards the gate. And that awesome little countryman market. Yes. Let's sell some vegetable from there. Let's take a quick peek in the storage shed / well house. Plenty of room in here. A nice little shanty. Nice and strong. Got some shutters that open up there. And then the well itself is right there. Hasn't been used in a while, so I don't know the status, but it's there if you wanted to fire it up, see what you can get. And then we come back around this side of the house. Mango tree, avatar tree, endless breeze. And there's your property boundary stake right there. You see that? That would be your eastern boundary. Looking back towards Mahogany Road. Beautiful palm up there. And again, here we are now looking from east to west, back at this sweet, sweet property. If you guys want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. There's really nothing else like it on St. Croix. Might never be. So if you want to live in a tropical paradise, this is your spot. Tree house, avatar tree. Give us a call, everybody. In the meantime, have an awesome St. Croix day. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that property tour. We got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Appreciate your support. Please subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to check out more videos right now, click right there.